High-end phones. Best smartphones, mobile phones, or high-end phones. Whatever you call them, they all share the same thing. They're the hottest kind of tech. They sell millions and make billions. Did you know that a high-end phone on papers can end up costing you over 1,000 rupees? Here are some tips to make the right choice before committing to a phone. The first thing is to decide the platform you want to side with. There's the iPhone with its iOS software. There's the Android phones by Google, Microsoft's Windows 8 phone, new kid on the block, BlackBerry 10. iOS offers the best apps and games. Android, the most fiddling potential. Windows Phone 8 is the sleekest, and BlackBerry 10 is on hand for those who want something a bit different. 2013 has already been a big year for smartphones with the two iPhones, the Nokia Lumia 1020, new Android phones from Sony and Samsung, with the Nexus 5 possibly still to come before the end of the year. The 14 best smartphones of 2013 are Motorola Razr 1, Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini, Nokia Lumia 720, HTC One Mini, HTC One X Plus, iPhone 5C, Samsung Galaxy S4, Huawei Ascend P6, Sony Xperia Z, Samsung Galaxy Note 3, HTC One, iPhone 5s, Sony Xperia Z1 and LG G2.